Our modern world, while brimming with technological marvels, often feels like an assault on our senses. A relentless barrage of emails, notifications, and the ever-present lure of our smartphones leaves us feeling mentally drained and creatively stagnant. Attention restoration theory, or ART, offers a compelling solution. Developed by environmental psychologists Rachel and Stephen Kaplan, ART posits that natural environments hold a unique power to refresh and restore our weary minds. Unlike the demands of urban life, nature allows our attention to wander freely, engaging what the Kaplans call soft fascination. This involuntary attention, effortlessly captivated by the rustling leaves or a babbling brook, gives our directed attention a much-needed break, allowing it to replenish and come back stronger. Imagine yourself stepping out of a crowded office building, the cacophony of the city receding as you enter a nearby park. The air smells fresher, sunlight filters through the leaves, and the chirping of birds replaces the din of traffic. Almost immediately, you feel a sense of calm wash over you. Studies show measurable changes in our physiological state within minutes of being in nature. Cortisol levels drop, heart rate slows, and brainwave activity shifts to a more relaxed state. These physiological changes directly impact our cognitive functions, enhancing concentration and creativity. Even small pockets of green within urban environments can provide tangible benefits. ART identifies 4 key components of natural environments that contribute to their restorative effects. Being away, fascination, extent, and compatibility. Being away refers to the mental distance we create from our everyday stressors when we immerse ourselves in nature. Fascination is the effortless attention that nature commands, drawing us in with its inherent beauty and complexity. A gently flowing stream, the intricate patterns on a butterfly's wings, the play of light and shadow on a forest floor. These elements captivate our senses without requiring conscious effort. Extent speaks to the need for a sense of vastness and immersion in nature. While a small park can offer respite, a longer hike through a forest or a day spent by the ocean provides a deeper level of restoration. Lastly, compatibility refers to the congruence between our individual preferences and the natural environment we choose. The implications of ART are profound, particularly in an age grappling with rising rates of ADHD, anxiety, and depression. Studies have shown that children with ADHD demonstrate significant improvements in attention and concentration after spending time in nature. Nature acts as a natural antidote to the attention fatigue induced by our technology-saturated lives. A study by the University of Michigan found that participants who took a walk in a park performed significantly better on memory and attention tests than those who walked along a busy city street. Even brief exposures to nature can have a measurable impact on cognitive performance. Incorporating short nature breaks into the workday can lead to increased focus, reduced stress, and improved problem-solving abilities. Some companies are even incorporating biophilic design principles into their offices, bringing elements of nature indoors to foster a more restorative and inspiring work environment. Beyond its cognitive benefits, nature also serves as a powerful antidote to stress. Chronic stress, a pervasive issue in modern society, has been linked to a host of health problems, including heart disease, depression, and weakened immunity. Spending time in nature can lower levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, and reduce activity in the amygdala, the part of the brain associated with fear and anxiety. Even passive engagement with nature, such as viewing nature scenes through a window or listening to nature sounds, has been shown to reduce stress and promote relaxation. One study found that hospital patients recovering from surgery who had views of nature from their windows experienced less pain, required less medication, and had shorter hospital stays than those with views of urban environments. The Japanese practice of Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing, involves immersing oneself in the forest atmosphere, using all 5 senses, promoting a profound sense of peace and well-being. Integrating the principles of ART into our daily lives doesn't require grand expeditions into the wilderness. Even small, intentional interactions with nature can have a profound impact on our well-being. Start by incorporating short nature walks into your daily routine. Eat your lunch in a nearby park, walk or bike to work if possible, or simply step outside for a few minutes to breathe in the fresh air and soak up some sunshine. Bring elements of nature into your home and workspace. Houseplants, natural light, and nature-inspired decor can create a more calming and restorative environment. Make a conscious effort to unplug from technology regularly and engage with nature instead. By consciously incorporating the restorative power of nature into our daily routines, we can cultivate greater resilience, creativity, and well-being in our increasingly demanding world.